students, today we will begin a new chapter, chapter 18. It happened yesterday. Chapter 18, it happened yesterday. In another words, we can say past tense. Okay, so what are the special forms of doing words? What are the special forms of doing words? The special forms of the doing words are those which expresses the action that has occurred already in the past. Okay, so we use the second form of the doing words in the past tense. Okay, so we will study more about the past tense. Okay, so what are the special forms of the doing words? The special forms of the doing words are those which tell us of the action that has already happened. Okay, so the special form of the doing words are those which tell us of the action. It tells us the action that has already happened. So whatever action we have done in the past, this special forms tells us. Okay, so the second form of the doing words or the second form of the verb tells us the action that has already happened. Okay, so in the past tense we have to use the second form of the doing words. Okay, so students, when we want to say that something happened yesterday or last year or few minutes ago or last evening, we use the second form of the doing words. Okay, so the second form of the doing word is called the special form of the doing words. So when we have to express any action, okay, which has occurred in the past, which has already taken place in the past, we use second form of the doing words, and the second form of the doing word is called the special form of the doing words. Okay, so let us understand with the help of the various examples. Okay, present tense. Okay, so always, every day, usually, often. So whatever actions we do every day, the action which happens every day, usually, often. Okay, so that is called in present tense. That action is can be said in the present tense. For example, I jump. Okay, so the word jump is a doing verb. Okay, here the first form of the word, the first form of the doing word is used. Okay, so the first form of the doing word is used for the present tense, the action which happens every day. Okay, or always, or usually, or often. Okay, so we have to use the first form of the doing words to express our actions which we do every day, or according to our habit. Or when we have to express general truth, we have to use the first form of the doing word. Okay, so now we will see past tense. Okay, so it happened yesterday. That is called past tense. The action which has already occurred. The action which has already occurred in the past, which has already happened yesterday or last evening or last year or some time ago. Okay, so that is called past tense. Okay, for example, I jumped. Okay, here the word jump is a doing word. Jump is a doing word. This is a second form of a doing word. Jump is a second form. So we use second form of the doing word to express the action which has already occurred in the past. Okay, second example, we study. Okay, so according to our habit, every day we study. So when we have to express the action which occurs every day, then we have to use first form of the doing word. Okay, so study is a doing word. We have used first form of the doing word. Okay, the same thing when we have to use in the past tense. Okay, we studied. Okay, More examples we will take. The choir sings. Okay, the choir sings. Okay, so the sings is a doing verb and it is used in the present tense. The choir sang, past tense. Okay, so already the action has taken place. The choir sang. Sang is the second form of the doing verb. I drink fruit juice. So maybe I drink the fruit juice every day according to my habit, or usually I drink fruit juice. So we have to use the first form of the doing words to show our habit or our action. Okay, so when action is already taken place, then we have to use the second form of the doing verb. I drank fruit juice. Maybe I drank fruit juice yesterday or last year. So whatever action has occurred in the past, to show that we have to use the second form of the doing verb. The postman wears a uniform. Wears is a doing verb. The first form of the doing verb. In the present tense, we have to use first form of the verb or doing verb. The postman wore a uniform. Okay, so this sentence is in a past tense. Wore is used in the past tense. The second form of the doing verb. We go to school. Okay, so every day we go to school. So to show our habit or the action which takes every day or usually or often, we have to use first form. So O is the first form of the doing verb. Okay, so whatever action we do in the present, we have to use first form of the doing verb. We go to school. Okay, so then we have to express it in the past tense. Okay, then past tense of go is went. We went to school. We went to school yesterday or last year. Okay, so whatever it can be. Mother cooks lunch. Okay, every day mother cooks lunch. According to the habit, mother cooks lunch. Okay, mother cooked lunch. Okay, when we have to specify particular action that has occurred in the past, then we have to use the second form of the special form of the doing verb, that is V2. Okay, so mother cooked lunch, second form of the doing verb. Okay, so hope you have understood that whatever action has occurred in the past, to show that we have to use the second form of the doing verb. Okay, so whatever action has happened yesterday or day before yesterday or few minutes ago or last evening, last year, some time ago, then we have to use second form of the doing verb. Okay, so hope you have understood. Kindly try to make new sentences and at least make 5 sentences in your rough copy. Okay, so using second form of the doing verb, make 5 sentences in your rough copy. Okay, thank you.